more year protest. You will protest. Don't involve any traditional leaders. What I want to know to find the case here, Dino. So I'm going to know. What do you mean by both women and by every subject to be to be radical? Rather than pass the assembly. Munja pass the assembly.
Saboy, why no say Umuadi? Now, no, Utrine, now the wafra, Udia to Paco, Nafeura Kumase, now be share with D4.
Enti mo kai se anopambro video ka kire se rap the F00LING and wakasa ama sebe na no akotia yura na no akotia yura no nko ade mini amo o meba be discipline no ebusia edru ho rap the F00LING fa sebe ka kire sebe otumfuo no media no so obo be di rap asem ama no obetwa no yopo meba on kire bu no akire wadwe ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media meswa say didi Obe like if you don't know that, my subscribe button, so back the key verification and latest updates. I'm back to the wide the mame. E will comment section. Mess also basso. No one share video for so any be ashe. E come here say obia pese or trendy a sebe. Just what na no be si asante ho. E ma odna no kotia yewura ansa ni bakro wotimi a trend say jimi no munyai. To the point say we say enra demonstration me cause we Ghana ha no mo. E ya rap the F00LING ene ne dom. Ona ne nkwase afo na omu ye occupy Jurubi demonstration is a Jimmy demonstration and be Omu yes some useless demonstration be enra. Because demonstration a useless if I heard no more church.
Obi the ball and Tufuma, Monsieur Otumfuo must start advocating for the very irresponsible disposal of plastic. Rather be a new one, I'm going to say no. Then you are one year pro with you. Most of baby, I put it in your swan uniform. Pastor boys, there be one guy safa camera no kona ko twa na educating go for so na musumu ye nipa who dey say who say ya o mega say under control ale mun tani e so mo ma e dey ready why Thomas on fanu produce car oso be segana na yenche sami David Sami David oso be segana maye kumama maye radio kumama maye radio kumama maye oye galamse kumama maye enti kumama maye radio kumama maye radio kumama maye oye galamse kumama maye
O ma shede to kum hwan cheze erade kum se erade kum asem je why dey erade kum je se obekai sem je fi to kum na na do maye no no ana se omusu eye se bia obeka se on records mahama ba akomya mu no MP for ye demonstration erade kum sem je fi what I say e tactics because we music asa don't just cry na e nkwase ade
Chairman to me who was mentioning Professor Otumfuo Galamsey report. In any serious jurisdiction, Sakwan will say about we buy because so much in the court of Yasi.
The Ghana for agro. And the woman rough at as I say, this and say, oh, more supporting your for any administration. We oh, more and penny for the woman the coy, a domble in Nano. I confirm Enra, I say rough, a demonstration, and a Ghana fool. Only end this for a demonstration, a Ghana sim. Was a Ghana funk at least. A dom one occupied Churubi house, net town machino, and came 1/3 crabber. Benra, nipa de do rough for chi 20 crano moon, which I say, a yen this more penny more. It's almost ye be say 1 year. If I say, Mahama, I was on rough intimate message, Eja, Omu, a be heard, Mude was she be Enra, Emma will be my way to not demonstration as no. Rough, I can't quite see a DB just what you say you would. And ideas are same amount for two Galamsey.
When Otumfuo's mother's funeral was ongoing, we saw all the politicians there. All the big people that we recognize in this country were there. Otumfuo himself admits and even made a statement that all these people sitting here are aware of the Galamsey going on. That means Otumfuo, I'm coming. But Otumfuo himself, who leases out the land for these people to do the Galamsey. So hold on. No, who does that? No, we are. I am only saying that we should also through the legs of our traditional rulers to speak for us. Because if Otumfuo speak today, right, the politicians will listen more than we listen. Imagine Otumfuo coming out today, right? I am not litigating nothing. All I'm saying is, no, we are not litigating. We are having a conversation. The government has failed because our people who have the power is not also holding them accountable.
What's the other? Ralph we kasa ye wura de dig asase ma amanfo tu Galamsey Ralph kasa de boso na eno no ana comedian se busua omo aba reply Ralph the fellow Ghanaian.
Sa boy we ya oda hana the friend Ralph na why na adwin say umuade na odi in the name of freedom fighter akata nani and all the empenyinfo bi animu twitwi form no. This guy, you have to be very careful. On the video we are down, wo be ma Otumfuo say Otumfuo no hye aman penyinfo any politician na omunya Galamsey no Otumfuo o ma concession me dey to Galamsey. Sabo we why no say omuade na wo no otiri na ye na wo de wafo afofra wo de to pakọ na fa wura kumase na wo be hia odifo so won say nansi ya change obi facial housing e de ama no. Yes, yeah, they set example ama mohunu say oman na ewom no e wo se ebu ye mpanyinifo no say ye po omamu mpanyinifo no e wo se ye respect wo mu regardless umwade o kasa rough na wo de ti baby a wo de tie no e na wo de di nsem sa na say na call Rich Hospital echo disrespected doctors and nurses echo assaulti wo mu but sebi esan say oman mu mpanyinifo no mu bi adwene wo for muntino. They didn't take this matter serious and then they let you go. And do fi say war bema. Now they to pakọ na fewure kuma. So we bema. Be gina kuma si asase so. Ne be kasa te sei. Na nka obehunu lelehi. Se woni mu a ma yentufu. Ummu ade o kasa kire mpanyinfo a wonwene ho. Oman no se de mamu sa ankola anketo we se mumu a mumu mpanyinfo na nyansa be pa na wo mutirimu a mumu di bebu oman no na mo kasa te se de mo wo ayitumi he wo tiri ye pa wo sa boy bi na wo de sa wo so wo bema bomodin ne fa wure kumase.
Guys, mama yankoshe Ralph video we Ralph the fellow Ghanaian mama yankoshe ni video we. Mobekaya Emrebi Ralph the video or the phone AC honorable sticker semunim sticker MPP MP no or the phone see nanim a video no sticker catcher ni se unjai oka said there be video na could do parliament and sticker was forced to call the police on him. Same way Ralph call hospital no video nurses for nebe catcher and say privacy of patient into unjai or say it's a public institution, public space, into a bit me video. Also another or call Galamsey protest nasia. Another public space will be video no nibuafu. This is to show you say he can't take whatever he dishes out. What he has here? Good. Protest issues here. Video be obehubia. Debi oni obi kun. Oni obi nyantawantawa. Right? He has made the whole protest about him. Meaning so-called protest not to protest against Galamsey or to fight the protesters. Did he go to do a protest against Galamsey or to fight the protesters? There was one video, not omo ye protest no. He was trying to insist say a Otumfuo, causing a lot of commotion over there. And as you see, bloggers omo cover event on a balcony. Or a narcissist. And go and search who a narcissist is. Or per se everything should be about him or herself. And that's Ralph. And there will be people in this comment section. They will be supporting him. That's the typical Ghanaian for you. They support bad behavior if only it favors them.
More ye protest. You will protest. Don't involve any traditional leaders. This is not the first protest. Or some protest we might be that. What I want to know to find because you didn't know. So on for number 2 no. Bloggers need be a portion a hokakrano. And now, comment section, I see ya. Or Masha see this Kajati would didn't and Nikas Yatem. What do you mean by Bo Kuo in a mobile? Ever subject to a Kuo to be radical, rather than Quasia Seminole. Munja kwasi asem no. Se adia no ye youth of Ghana. Na se adia no. Ghana is sitting on a time bomb because of Galamsey. Can the kore when you before Amubaba BSR protest, you should do your research. Leading region in Galamsey is the Western region. Why didn't you mention the Western region House of Chief or the Wasahene? The Eastern region. Why didn't you mention the Ochengene and the Krapemi and the Eastern House of Chief? The Central region. Some parts of the Northern region. I didn't see every time. Most people know too for you because you're board no. Yes, what deputize young. And now you're the board chair. Or mineral baby na yenim. Minister for Lands and Resources, Nana Mr. Kofiwa, Nana to Fonya because deputizing, and that's what you need to mention, and deputizing. Enough is enough of this stupid partisan politics. No, some number partisan politics. Aya Wagana. Someone to me, Jamma, minimum papa fear, and before people be in Yamikasia, and Cassam, and Mancrown winning Swadia to Fair, Mamika control. See, maybe end destiny, but means now say Galamsey. Galamsey is a national issue. Ghana is not a monarchy. We don't practice a monarchy system of government. We are practicing a multi-party. Those Galamsey campaigns, they supported MPP and NDC during the 2024 election. I come a party that was in Omoda Galamsey. No Galamsey campaign, but now because we're supporting a no two for because your projects be concession and Namgo. Or do quote in the crew, or Jenny Wabet yes, forest reserve. Obekono, Nesuja for a Chassa, forest reserve, no mobile. I am more do quanko rempest. What would the Ababian was assassin? Nasasso. Asanko diano, Suja for no more guardi or mono. Now not for Yamkesnema or down, Suja for them guardi or mono. Suja for no more guardi or mono. Here, contrasting Trasomia Galamsey, Achama be done not a crumple Galamsey, a woman, the feature, and for 4 more mobile. I don't think so. Now not for Yamkes cry away, no do no crampono. A quite opposite do crocus or catch and not for Yamkes, yes, and Assasia. But I must have taking how many days. Let us speak to the institution that is involved. Let us speak truth to power. Let us talk to Mr. President. That this is what is going on. It's on. Don't let us apportion blames. So we will fight for Ghana. And then the traditional leaders. Now traditional leaders would just want to go and for because it's young. On Yanum for me soon better than Abasa. Sika Jawu Rafes, Kajabit Yawaka, Skajanu Betty. Some who Yamagalam say protest and no two for them because it's cinema necessary. Our original and who put it in was Galamsey issue when we say, no, two for fun and number 2. I we know taxpayers' bodies, one may taxes pay a small moon. What am I imagining some person who could any mass? Who raps a new bit, a new bit, what do you do when you was Ghana? So I know he be a money, and not for them because nobody do. No, stop here, Samson regional. Other regions, no, Yabayana day. I'm a bit Chiawaka, come better, may protest now. A come to protest now, who Pesica, protest now.
Ralph, that's why. That's one sem na waka ni nyina but one sem na waka no kan wi ye no yen hwehwehwe the nearest dustbin and ye dropping sem in because one sem na waka no ye de guhu amom huhu so no ye hu nyansem bi wom chaff nko a. I am saying this without mentioning words. Read my lips. See what they keep on acting bravado, keep on acting gangster, keep on acting like Ghana hono when are you outspoken. Kwame Nkrumah for about Ghana when I see the Ghana flag e chichire ho e kan sma kese. Keep on keeping on. Why? Now one day the very people you want to please, you know, they are the same people I want we ebeka ko fast mama on beka se na wo predodo. Me too for as a brother. Se fashion to say whenever a man feels so desirous to be under the spotlight, let that same man be ready to embrace heat because light produces heat. I am repeating, when a man, for that matter you, feel so desirous to be under the spotlight, let that same man be ready to embrace heat because light produces heat. So keep on keeping on. Once more Kenyans are made Chesegana Hodie, Ashantis bear the sins of all Ghanaians. Ashantis bear the sins of all Akans. Inti Adianeba, Naya the Papa, Ne happen Ashanti region, Naya Santini Nea, Debi, Ghana Funinadia, and Munyamo Hondia, Ghana in any Munyam, Mimum Senim Guaseni and Wisam Hondia, Santini, Santa Mebois. Sadiani Papa, Nen Munyam Shaw Hon, Nessi was Santimem, Na Santini Nea, Debi. Ghana in any munyam, but see, Nanya the Papa dia Santefo, Mebois. Chese, we bear the sins of all Ghanaians and Akans, Yate. Monkosunyas Ghana ha, problem bisu o mantem BM1, Abaya Sadi, but see Ashanti region dia, Otumfuo. Ghana ha, 16 regions Nina, Semantam Mubi, and as Sabaton Peso bisu him to Juma, the Sufra by Ashanti region and Kumasa dia, Otumfuo Asantehene. Atorenchen bi si wo mantem bi so a yesufra ban ba se sikumase dia Otumfuo. Anibia is Otumfuo the president of Ghana. And do we pay taxes to Penyah? Now no to about last year, nipa 13 no mudin da ballot paper no so no. Anyenye bia no tune for political party ka ho. No tune for a flag bearer no pese to aba no be man Penyah na. Announce say na anu ya Ghana fo nyina to santene ko to aba no. Won kwa ballot paper electoral commission de ma wo no. Na Penyah official logo no denchem chana na da so bi. Na bisa se toma no. Timano na Penyah emra me the seat of government. Na Otumfuo ma president na. Me bisa wo. To say Otumfuo leases out lands for people to engage in Galamsey no me hu ni tine ne kon because Galamsey minjina ha at ostrich say Ashanti region bi ni here of course but you see am say is it only in the Ashanti region and Galamsey here adwuma if the answer is no there was one can answer me no because in the western eastern wrong half of central obi ay Galamsey ni dunkwa onofe no me pacho e so that Ashanti region bring out the list of rivers at Galamsey aseno nyenhwe dodo ewu me free Ashanti region. Bring out the towns and villages at Galamsey or Nyenhwe emududo send the Ashanti region. Why do we speak like this? Se Galamsey koso western, eastern, bronga half for central, and also Otumfuo ni free Penyah and will lease those lands are any or no jurisdiction edema omo. Someone to Galamsey also. Asana kind fatal common sense skills na hwese beware. Otumfuo ti Penyah no ono and issue out mining licenses. Emasa Galamsey is no. Anaba Penyah eton chamfan ho. Oba Penyah yetonton excavators or meboa. If you people have come to the point of acknowledging that Otumfuo wields so much power, and unti okasa with just a word from him no, Galamsey best stop there. And the monfa se bu ne mano. Wo Raf, that Ben and Koforte Ghana how mudi Otumfuo atem so nyobian. What me about bontia be video crab blast on so munyai na papa no yobi ene. One so Otumfuo timi kasa. And as a wu jidi se Otumfuo kasa, Galamsey to be trameboa. Say do the here that Amusi will be do Otumfuo. A toa Penyah and Amusi friend meboa. If you people have come to the point of acknowledging that Otumfuo wields so much power to the point that all you haters are Otumfuo Asantehene no. Mo bi ma no kase Otumfuo mi na no kasa Galamsey to be because ne mami wu ya ye ne doti yi no o ka so bia na no bia da idea. And among country framers of the constitution is a yense no. Nenya monarchical constitution to the point that Otumfuo will sit at the apex. Not John Mahama be prime minister. In that sense, no, or no, and be determine how things should be done. And also say, Mommy and son on Nemo Otumfuo nye Ghana man penny. Now onya everything at his disposal, and on the saw the blame never turn a doorstepper, Ubiana Monje Huachinye. But once he's not the president, you don't pay taxes to Penyah. Now Otumfuo nye national security, onye interior minister, onye defense minister, onye military head, onye the head of the police council, no ababe IGP diabra. Once na work nowhere to channel your frustration. Otumfuo ono enyo no ne makwan se nkonkotu Galamsey. Baby please. Mama papa ne dinna. No Otumfuo sabi akusabi nya no waye bia magana papa. You guys have no idea the things Otumfuo does behind the scenes. But for Otumfuo Ghana Civil War 2. Monkonko bisa kofo say the year 2012 and we changing of power no. Saying Rollins is winje muda. Go and check. 2016 the same thing Akufo-Addo mu otiase. Go and ask him. Anadwona woda wo mpenechi na woji dogi no. Na akokra otene na so tene to so. Ebuka pi sebe ya Ghana mu bedwo. Na wo Raf benya mu agina na wakeka nsem bi sei. Inti nkwan adwo ena no sini bi ekemhwe. Monko so ankeka monsem ko. Why? Na sa nkro ne etutu Galamsey wo so no Western Central Bronga half East no. Ehemfu ni ho. Na no Galamsey nko so odoma. Nyana doma afo ne kem no. Ohini bi tena baabi ebedwa na num so Otumfuo ne tu Galamsey no de ompene da and go and check. It was at the Bono Regional House of Chiefs and a regional minister ne gina doma hene nim ka chen say nana so wo echa na beka sa Bono ha ne titim ne doma ha no Galamsey nkoso eso me ba na anu ya mindia hibia ne Galamsey a ekoso no. Where were you? Now to Ghana map na chion. So Galamsey ekoso Ghana nyina no Otumfuo ne bi na no nkasa. Na those areas na yitu Galamsey ne ehemfu ni ho. Afemon so Otumfuo wields power. Mama papa ne dina. Why? Said the Ghana how pesi nyina yehu se woni babu na wo akokoduro no. Akufo-Addo fie no into Finima and call Vietnam. Yenje visa ne ko. Go and stand at the gate of Akufo-Addo. Na ko kan de ho kan. Why? Because on the time and Oka said he's putting his presidency on the line because he's saying go and tell Kid Jemfua, go and tell Salam Mustafa, go and tell Miracle Abaji, go and tell you a free say time ana Galamsey no mo tia bema na say ane kan no mo say omo nti obia no they should fix it. Afro wi akwadwo mahama ho se party are affiliated to no coho. Now catch your man Penyah TCC or man Penyah. Ghana is looking up to you. Declare state of emergency. Time and MPP for Tia by money. Say Ama Kofi Boakye said they should declare state of emergency. So go and tell the president and by extension, Ama Kofi Boakye said Omonsun declare state of emergency. Why? Because the MPP for Netiso. Ghana na ni na ewo and for the time also fight Galamsey and until the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining. Professor Frimpong Boate report near ready the Koto Akufo-Addo anim. E dia na wo media lord come. Otumfuo di wo.
Ubet ma tire wa adwen amame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.